Assalamu alaikum. This is Osama Khan from Group 5. Our project is to work on how we can turn HMB's basic app into a smart app. Waqas, can you move on? My group members are Ariba Ali, who is the generator of the idea, who is in collaboration with HMB, who's currently an employee of HMB. Zubi Akbar, who is also another group member. The third group member is Waqas Ahmed, and I am the fourth group member. Waqas, move on. We have added a quote of Vince Lombardi. It takes months to find a customer, seconds to lose one. The basic idea is to move HMB's basic app from traditional banking practices to innovative banking solution that would satisfy the banking needs of the customer. Like they don't have to visit the bank for every transaction, and make it a branchless banking concept to satisfy the needs of customer with the changing technological needs. Waqas, move on. As far as the key activities are concerned, which we have figured out, the customers want secured yet easy transactions. Transfers could be local and interbank with an easy method, having an option of PIN code and OTP generation and verification instead of long calls for verification, having a tab for OTP generation that makes the customer life easier. The credit card payments, ISP bills options, in the banking app. This could include mobile top-ups and other sort of payments. Collaborative payment system could include Easy Pesa, Jazz Cash, Kino, and similar sort of payment systems. Utility payments like electricity, gas bills, easy login, because people want easy login rather than typing passwords and username. They have an option of biometric login and face detection, or either a simple PIN. Waqas, move on, please. Waqas, yeah, the basic idea sketch of based on our key activities was the fund transfer. That was this that where we had segregated fund transfer, online payments, card payments, check payments, subscriptions, account management, setting logouts, beneficiaries account in separate categories. Fund transfers could be within HMB, outside HMB. You don't have to add press that you get the OTP generated. Online payments would include bill payments, Easy Pesa, Visa, Mastercard bills, government fees, Kino, cash, donations, etc. Fund transfer could be RTGS, check deposits, credit card bills, beneficiary accounts. Now, the business model will be continued by Zubi.
Thank you, Sama. So moving forward with the idea, this is the canvas that shows all the important components of the business. I would begin with the value proposition in the middle of the first row. The basic idea is, once again, as Sama has told you, is to provide the enhanced user experience that is based on 24/7 transactions. For this, we are going to do partnership with app developers. We are going to involve the payment solution companies, and of course, as it's about the data security, so the cyber security companies will also be involved. As Osama has already discussed the key activities, so I'm going to skip to key resources. The resources for this business model are the app developers and the technical staff who is going to maintain this app. We are this once Since this app is to enhance the customer experience, so the entire focus is going to be on the CRM through the channels of mobile app and the marketing through employees who are present at branches to guide the customers. The client segment that we are going to target are the individual and corporate HMB customers. The cost structure, the basic cost involved is the cost of app development, the technical staff salaries, the journal and admin cost, and the testing cost. If we talk about revenue streams, it is going to be from subscription charges and increased volume of transactions. Waqas, next slide, please. The customer profile. The current and the prospective customers of HMB who are individual customers and who are corporate customers are going to be the target of this app. Waqas, next slide, please. So regarding the crossing the chasm, innovators and early adopters are the customers who are actually inclined towards such technological innovation. So they are going to be attracted through references and feedback. The main target here is to attract the early and late majority customers. So for this, we are going to do extensive marketing through ATL and BTL activities. We are going to launch a TVC. We are going to give print ads. We are going to install banking kiosks in malls, clubs, and other public places. For legates, we are going to offer discount promotions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ariba and I will be presenting you the prototyping. We have created these prototypes by using Adobe Photoshop, and these are the innovated versions of the current HMB app. Coming to the first screen, it shows the welcoming screen which says welcome to Habib Metro Smart App. Now you will be moved on to the login screen. You can either enter your login credentials or use fingerprint or face detection option. In the above strip, you can see other options like QR Pay, View, Offers, and more. The third screen shows when you click the option More, it directs you. You can either register to web banking or mobile banking. You can apply to use mobile app. If you forget your username or password, you can also choose that option. And there are also card management, and you can also use help option to figure out any problems you're facing. Vakas, next please. Okay, the next screen shows, it will be the first screen after you log in into Habib Metro. It will show your current balance and your recent transaction. At the bottom, you can also see your scheduled payments. In the next screen, this is the QR Pay option, which is not available in the app right now of HMB. It shows make QR payments, manage QR payment, or payment history. In the next screen, you can see the profiling of your account. It shows a transfer option, QR payments, and more option. In this, you can either transfer your payment to my accounts, your cards. You can also pay your bills. You can add pay and other accounts of HMB. Next, please. Okay, in this, you can either transfer amounts to your own accounts by using between own account option. You have to enter generate OTP. This is a security protocol, and you can enter amount and click pay now. It also includes within accounts which are within HMB, outside HMB checks. You can also check status and credit card payments. In the next screen, it shows bill payment options, for example, K Electric, Sui Gas, PTCL, Easy Pesa, Internet Service Provider bills, Visa, MasterCard bills, etc. In the next screen, you can see your online payments, card management option, check management, subscriptions to e-statements, and logout option. It also gives you the option to add beneficiary, and you can also click discounts to avail any offers available. Next screen. This is the last screen a consumer will see when he logs out of the app. Next, Vakas will continue.
Right. So testing plan is the most important phase for any technological product. So our testing plan includes these items, and the first item is synchronizing and connecting the app with HMB's database, which is very, very important. The second item is connecting and synchronizing it with Google Maps and other payment solution companies, because online transactions are the prime focus of our customers. Automatic notification generation is very, very important in case the system is running smoothly, and also in case when the system is crashed. Peak time, pressure handling, traffic handling is also a test that every technological product go through, and this is very, very important. So this is on our testing plan list. HMB will be conducting this through beta testing, and a beta version will be out so that everybody can test it. And this test will actually be carried out by the actual users who can be the employees of the company, so that they can, so that the app is improved and its effectiveness is enhanced. Moving on to the next slide, we see the cost structure. So as a team, when we got this project, we surveyed different software houses, we met app developers, and we tried to develop an idea of how much cost it is going to take us to develop an app like the one we are looking for. So we came up with an approximate estimate of rupees 5 million Pakistani rupees. And the breakup of this 5 million is what you can see on this table. So the highest amount is associated with the mobile app development, the development charges, and then there is maintenance and hardware and infrastructure cost, which adds up to rupees 5 million. Moving on to the next slide, we have the way forward. So every project has a roadmap that has to be followed, and our roadmap is that we will be creating, the bank will be creating the awareness about the banking app through different promotional channels. It will be highlighting the key features which makes it stand out from the competitors and make it a more usable and a more user-friendly app as compared to the other banking apps available in the market. Then the third point is, and the most important point is that we have to reduce the need for visiting the branch, and we have to make the customer feel that the branch is in his hand, in his phone, so that everything, every transaction, every activity, every banking activity is just one touch away from him, and he does not have to come to the branch. So this is all from our side. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity because we learned a lot as a team and as individuals. Thank you so much.